Hi guys, hello. Hey everyone, I'm backwards in the camera. I am excited today because you have an awesome lab and an awesome video. So you're going to start today by watching Bill Nye talk about biodiversity and why it's important to have all different kinds of life forms in each different ecosystem because life really just supports each other. All kinds of things support each other. I need you, you need me, we're a happy family. Okay, so our target today is I understand that biodiversity, that's term is biodiversity, is vital for supporting all life on Earth. So our important term today is biodiversity. Say it with me, biodiversity. It's the variety of species found on Earth's terrestrial, that means on land, and oceanic, that means in water, ecosystems. So all over Earth, biodiversity is the variety of species all over Earth, okay? You're going to do something called a biodiversity counts lab today. You're going to look at some samples, which means we can't look at the entire population of an ecosystem, so we take little pieces and parts of it, and we count organisms, and we do little pieces of each part of each organism to determine whether or not the organisms are healthy or the ecosystem is healthy or whatever. So today I took 3 scoops out of 3 different ponds, and in that scoop of water, I know you can't see me very good, there we go. In that scoop of water were some organisms, and I laid them all out for you. They're from Michigan lakes and ponds, and so they're Michigan creatures, and if you've been swimming in Michigan, you will find that some of these critters look pretty familiar to you. Some of them you've never seen before because they are so tiny. So they're microscopic, okay? So some of them play a big part in the food chain in our lakes and ponds in Michigan. And so when you start looking at them, I want you to identify actually like what are those things? And they're probably something you've seen at a lake while you are swimming, or maybe up north at a cottage or something like that, on a river, on a rock, something like that. Enjoy figuring out what they are. You're going to get a key, which will help you identify each species, and then you'll get a site where you count each species. So in habitat 1, there'll be a picture, and you're going to count species. You're going to count something that looks like a cyclops. You're going to count water fleas, water crickets, water shrimp, water scorpions, and whirligig beetles. In habitat 2, you're going to count diving beetles, whirligig beetles, water shrimp, water scorpions, cyclops, water crickets, and water fleas. And in habitat 3, you're going to count diving beetles, dragonfly nymphs, mayfly nymphs, and water boatmen. So you're going to put how many of each are over here for their population. Then you're going to do a lab analysis and answer some questions on a Google form. So totally enjoy investigating these amazing creatures that share the earth with you.